Wearing a face mask can help protect against viruses, but it's important to know how to properly wear one. Before putting a mask on, start by washing your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer. Time to put on the mask. Make sure you have the mask right side up. Many masks have a stiff, bendable edge at the top that can be curved to contour your nose. Now, holding the mask by the straps, lift it to your face and bring the straps around either your ears or the back of your head, depending on the type of mask. If your mask has a bendable top edge, go ahead and pinch it now to contour it to your nose. The mask should fit from above the tip of your nose to just below your chin. While wearing, avoid touching your face or mask with your hands so that you don't contaminate anything, and do not lower the mask below your nose or mouth. To properly remove the mask, once again wash or sanitize your hands. Then, holding the mask by the straps, pull it away from your face. Do not touch the external surface of the mask as it may be contaminated. Single-use masks should be thrown away, while reusable masks should be washed immediately. Lastly, wash those hands one more time. Follow these tips to make your mask as effective as possible.